Great, good morning. We are going to attempt to walk to Fira. It is currently 9:33 a.m. September 16 here in Oia. I need to lose weight. It's supposed to take about almost 2 hours, but I'm probably going to be stopping by and take nice videos for our memories. Enjoy! I think God is watching us. It's that beautiful weather right now. It's not too hot, a little bit wind. Perfect day. Oh, naked boy. We got naked boy. Hello, naked boy. Yeah.
I'll take a picture of it.
Oh, I'm wearing over shoes. It's the wool shoes that I just bought recently. I thought it was really hard for me to get adjusted to the warm with the socks because it gets pretty warm when you wear it. Or yes, here. You sure? Hello guys, so we are on our hike to the 10 kilometers from Oia to Fira. We're so excited because the weather is just right. It's a little bit windy, not so bad. The pavement tends to be a little bit loose, but it's bearable. So you guys should come here. Especially if you want to lose weight. This is the place to go. To Fira from Oia. Good job, babe. Jelly, jelly, jelly. March. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Sparkling water. I love the flavors of the raspberry. What's your favorite? What's your favorite? This one too. Oh shoot, I don't want you to joke. Whoa. Nike, sponsor us. Because this guy loves Nike. Here, can't tell. Some of them looks like a horse. Oh, that's definitely a donkey. Maybe a big donkey? No, I think they are a donkey. Look at the ears. Wow, they're huge. Bah. Are you happy? Are you happy? Very happy. And I need to pee. Right? It rhymes happy and pee. So it's a little dusty here, but if you wanted to do mountain, you can. We decided to do the highway just because, I don't know, in case there's like good spots to eat or get something to drink. Need to go use the potty. And it's a little bit easier on my knees to do the highway. And it's also, we get there, I think, a lot faster, so we can spend more time in Fira and whatever town we end up passing by. We're back near the water. We just came from Oia to Imero Givili. That's between Oia to Fira. It's probably a less crowded area compared to Oia. We're in Imero. I'm sorry if I butchered. Pit stop, getting something to drink. So we'll have more energy to go to Fira and check out this town too. One of my favorite drink is this one. It's the orange flavor. Noto. Yeah. And then he got cherry flavor. Ready to go to Fira. Fira. Mini market. Oh, and 10 kilometers. Alright. We are officially. This is Fira now? A little bit more, but this place is awesome. There's like a lot of things to do around. Looking for food to eat. We're now in Fira. We're gonna go get something to eat. It's starting to get very dry in here, so here's what it looks like. Satellite Santorini. You wanna know a joke? We just finished our hike from Oia to Fira. Proud of you.
How long it took?
We started around 9 something.
We did?
Yeah, I forgot what time we started. I try not to think about it. But what time is it now?
1:13.
1:13 on September 16, 2021. We did stop for a little bit to rest and enjoy the view and take a lot of pictures and video. And we took the highway. Now we are currently eating in Triana Taverna here in Fira. Okay, this is Santorini tomato balls, which is pretty famous here. We are in Fira, and this is in Triana Taverna. It has yogurt sauce, and this one is called Mama's Meatballs. Now, I wonder whose Mama's are you? And it has yogurt. The yogurt definitely goes well with the meatballs. This one is Mama's Meatballs. It has minced meat and also with the yogurt, so let's try it out. Definitely less crunchy. Tastes like a really good burger. Let me try it. Actually, it kind of reminds me of my mom. My mom's cook. Goes very well with the yogurt. So we got Dutch oven cooked meat. It has orzo, various vegetables, and tomato sauce.
Want to eat?
Yeah, sure. Enjoy.
Everything, the show, the meat, the wine, and the minutes. 9 o'clock.
Mira, papote, aquí hay más. Papote. Las cruces. Las cruces.
¿Cuánto vale?
Sephora? But you just wanna relax though, right? I'm gonna edit this. Where? There is? Oh, you're serious? There's a bubble tea spot. Wait, this is not like the same thing as last one, right? It says bubble tea, and then they had no bubbles. There's a bubble tea spot in Santorini. No, for thirsty beet, peach, lemon, lime. Getting this, and then this one. The bubble tea was a disappointment. It's bubble tail, has popping bubbles, not real bubble tea, with artificial syrups. So now we're just checking out the supermarket here in Fira. Greek yogurt, can't say no.